Hello, welcome to this quick overview of this app, step-by-step guide for school-based assessment. So this is the interface of the app. On the left-hand side, you see the menu, and when you click on an item in the menu, you go to that item step by step, and you go through the application that way. Here you first have to enter your name. Let's say your name is John, and you click to continue, and you see the instructions there. You read the instructions, takes you to another page, says welcome John, and to view the contact information of the creator of this app, just click there. You can read that for yourself. Now on the top right, you see a tab called resources. When you click on that, you'll see what contents you can download. You can download previews of the contents of different modules for English, CXC English, for mathematics, and for grade school mathematics, and so on. You navigate by going to the next page, and here you have to enter your password. And you press enter. But correct, you continue, and that's how you navigate from one page to one section to the next. Here you can review what the experts say. When you click on a marker, it reveals information about that topic. You click on the button, and you see information appearing on your screen. To close that window, you click on the red button there, and that's how you go through navigating the app. So to go to the next window, now the main activities for your SBA project, you click on a button, a marker, and it shows you what you have to do at that stage. Stage 1, state your tasks. Stage 2, plan your project, and so on. So that's how you navigate your way through that course. It's very easy. You go next, and there are some interactive questions. The school-based assessment is an important part of your assessment in CXC course. True or false? You click true. You submit it. Correct, that's right. And there are many more quizzes that you can do. So that's a quick preview